I was just exploring on how emotions are connected to the natural environment. So I think the closest material I can think of is the jute sack, and it's only when I started to look at history or where jute sack is produced, it is actually from the vegetable, um, what do you call this? Saluyot. Saluyot is the sticky leaf, and it's locally grown here.
Here in
But
Negros.
mostly jute is produced in India and Bangladesh. But we have a small production in the Philippines. But of course, technology-wise, yeah, it's kind of challenging to have a bigger production. And most of the guys that buy from us are from Japan to use shampoos, to make shampoos. But the fibers, they also buy from us. So this is the closest natural material that I can think of that will uh, represent emotions and how these emotions um, transcend to different types of the other emotions, because we always think that like there's a core emotion, yeah? When you say emotions, what are they? Love, sadness, anger, yeah, all these types of emotions. But when you talk of just one emotion, for example, love, when you speak of love, there's too many types of these feelings. Yeah, you don't just say, yeah, I love this, I love that, I love you, or but there are different ways of love. And layers. Yeah, how we react to love is a different thing. So all these pieces have those kinds of reflection. Um, this piece is called Pearl's Gate.
See the pearl.
Yeah, and the pearl is usually used in old traditions where if you die, that's why if you see the leaves, they're all torn, they're all dead. Yeah, it's about death. And when you die, before you go to heaven, there's like a gem, like stones. But pearl is also one representation where you use this as your kind of talisman to protect you before you reach heaven. Yeah, like it's a gateway. Yeah, the gateway, the pearl will be the one to protect you. It's like your talisman before you reach heaven. So that's why it's called the pearl's gate, and it's really closely protected also by other elements. Yeah. And this is clay, and it looks like ash, like when we die. Yeah, you go to the ash, and then this one is just going to naturally break, and then the green is still actually green. Yeah, even if it's dead, but it still has a little bit of light color in it. Yeah, these are also special fruits.
And these are all
These are
found in
all
the Philippines.
found in the Philippines.
And here in
But
Negros.
these are purpose cardboard,
Uh-huh.
just to do focus, protect also the inside. Yeah. And there are words here, for example, this one, it's more of like the highlight of the whole exhibition. This is called the crown chakra. So when you say crown chakra, it's the purples, the violets, and it brings all the other chakras together. Yeah, and that's why we have a purple here. These are pandan leaves that you can find here, and this is a very special. I don't know if it's lotus or lily, but this can be eaten. This can be smoked. This is also a tea. It's a healing flower. So you buy the work with the tea. So you can harvest. You can harvest from here. Yeah. Even if it's an installation. Yeah. So it's called an assemblage, but these are also considered as sculptures.
I noticed you have an installation there.
Yeah, these are all installation. This is a special flower. A friend gave it to me. This is a Dachshund's pipe. So it's very interesting. It even has an aroma. If you smell it, this. Yeah. These are also pandan leaves. This is also to show the dark side of emotions. But the title for this is I forgot. It's like the mysteries of sophistication. Yeah, because the dark side sometimes is kind of sophisticated, but you don't really express that. You don't see how people show their dark.